Hi, today I set up TP-Link 4G Lte M7350. The first is insert SIM. Note the correct mounting direction. Power on. See the basic information before setting up. Press the menu button above the device. Device info. Default access. wifi.net. The steps are as follows. Connect to TP-Link with the information found in the previous step. Connected. This is the IP address of TP-Link. Open one web browser, enter wifi.net to access TP-Link. Password, admin. Login. Wireless settings. Tap wireless icon at the bottom of the screen. Set up Wi-Fi network name. Set up Wi-Fi network password. Done. Restart Wi-Fi. You will lose connection with TP-Link. Here is the information after setting up. Reconnect to TP-Link 4G. Connected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.